Hello everyone, this is Shan Haider, and in this video I am going to show you how to unlock your Honor Magic 7 Pro or any of the Honor smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. So here is my Honor Magic 7 Pro. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, password, the Face ID is not working, the fingerprint ID is not working, and you cannot go to the settings to remove any kind of security from your device. So in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from your lock screen to remove all kind of security from your device, but keep one thing in your mind that whatever content you got will be deleted, and if you were using a Google account then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential one more time. So the very first thing you have to do is switch off your device, press and hold the power key for a while, then tap on power off. And once the device is switched off, what you have to do is you need to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold them for a while until the Honor logo appears on the screen. After that you can move your finger from the power key, but keep pressing volume up. And then this screen will appear. So as you can see, we got multiple options here. To navigate between the options you can use the volume keys, volume down to go down, volume up to go up, and power key to select it. So one of the option here is clear data. So this is what we are going to use. Press volume down to go to clear data, then press power key once. Then on the next screen use volume up to go to factory reset, and then press power key once. And then it will ask you to type yes, because it's going to delete everything from your device, and Honor officially wants your consent that you are going to perform this activity. You can press the volume up to go to factory reset and then press the power key once, and as you can see, resetting of the device is initiated and the reset is successful. So now use volume down to go to back option, press power key once, then use volume up to go to restart and then press power key once one more time. Now the device will reboot. Once the rebooting process is completed, we will go through the setup process and then we will see whether we got the access back to our Honor Magic 7 Pro we got here or not. So you can see it is asking me to set up the device protection. That means the previous one is gone, but let's finish the process and then we will find out whether what we have done so far worked or not. And here we go. So as you can see, we got the home screen here of our Honor Magic 7 Pro. It is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen pin. So this is how you can remove all kind of security from your Honor Magic 7 Pro or whatever Honor smartphone you got to gain the access back to your smartphone if the fingerprint ID is not working, Face ID is not working, and you no longer remember the PIN, password of your device. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.